Barang dan orang. Ini perlu dilestarikan nih.
Okay, my Mr. Topic, no discussion.
Kedelom berat hai maju perut.
Oke, saya mulai ya. Tolong didengar baik-baik.
Ya, siap.
Ya, disimak. Critical rating for low in eye. Rating is rating, right? Wrong. Rating in law school will most likely
Baca puisi apa baca teks?
be a very different experience. Then what? You are familiar
Hai, best
with
man apa
from
komedi?
collect. The difference lies in the fact that the rating material themselves are different and the purpose for which you are rating the material is different. In collect most of your rating segment were descriptive. That is the author goal was profit you is. Terima kasih. The tax. But what is fashion?
What is fashion? Ask yourself.
What is fashion?
I don't know.
The big fashion houses led the way in the trend.
Allah English teacher me.
It is not that easy to answer the question. What is fashion? Because its mean is different thing to different people. Fashion is an art. It's a religion. It's a job. It's a speak into a personality.
Yeah.
It is fulfillment. It is an escape or a disease. It is a It is a feast for the eyes. But ultimately, fashion is an individual statement of expression for each of us. Friend fashion designer could channel one side. Fashion is not something that exists in dresses only. Fashion is in the sky, in the street. Fashion has to do with ideas, the way we live. What is happening? It is true. Fashion is not defined solely by our clothing choice, but it's also conveyed through the way we carry ourselves, our personalities, and our views of the world. It is fundamental, and fashion is implied the fashion is implied the prevailing style or custom. It's even dress or behavior. So, what exactly is the big question? What is fashion? Who decides? Thank you.